So, end of day one for AMW 2023. Paul and I standing here in front of the Crafttech Excalibur, the cool welding robot you see behind us. Paul, what's your takeaways from today, bud?
We've seen a bit of everything. We've seen everything from sort of product design to manufacturing, automation. We've seen robots and cobots coming out of our ears, even mobile robots and welding robots. But I guess we've also seen a lot of stuff as well on the software side and other things that optimize processes and systems in manufacturing that I guess manufacturers can use in their day-to-day business.
Yeah, I think the key takeaways for me are things like fiber laser welding and stuff that I hadn't necessarily seen before. We did an interview with a really interesting chap, Peter, who's 3D printing bikes, which is pretty interesting. And then some of the manufacturing optimization, automation software, and the guys at the Lean. I think bringing all that together is really exciting. So hope you really enjoyed our takeaways from today, enjoyed some of the interviews, and we'll bring you day 2 and 3 pretty shortly.
Till then.